Hi, bit of a dick. So we're sorting out the door. Carrie, my mate's taken the frame off here, and all down this side here. We're going to put a new frame in. I've been finishing camera angle. Been finishing the door, and I was just thinking about putting a mortise lock on, which I bought. Yeah, mortise lock and keys, brilliant. And then it dawned on me, thinking about how to fit this mortise lock. If you look at the package, there is a very obvious thing missing. So you've got that bit, but how do you open that bit? With a handle. Where's the handle? I didn't buy a fucking handle. I only bought the lock. A typical knobhead Kazza move. Unbelievable. Alright. Anyway, that's today's update. I'll update a bit better later. I can't believe I've done that. Can't believe I've done that.